Hello, today I have a shopping haul video for you. I did a little shopping over the holidays since my two daughters were back from college and did a lot of killing time, taking them to, say, dentist appointment or get a haircut. And so I ended up going to Ross Dress for Less because there was one in the mall, and also TJ Maxx. And I got some pretty good deals, so I just thought I'd share what I got with you. Okay, so first we'll go over what I got at Ross. And basically I like basics, But anyway, I found 3 pairs of black leggings. The first one is by Betsy Johnson, and what I thought was kind of neat, it's a little different. It has this kind of detail. Retail value is $24 and I got it for $15.99. So I thought that wasn't bad, and these are cute. So there, I got that. There was also this one. This one is just really, really soft. The material feels kind of like, that LuLaRoe. These are super soft and very, very comfortable and not sheer at all. So yes, these were definitely a win. And last I got, this is by Soho Girls. It's 92% nylon, 8% spandex, and everything I got was in a size medium. Well, this one says, Slims, Firms, Tones. Soho half-body shaping leggings. It says, eliminates unwanted lumps and bumps, engineered for stretch and comfort, constructed to shape your body. So it's kind of like shapewear almost. So they're a lot thicker, and it looks like they're really high-waisted and kind of like keeps everything in. So I thought, yeah, I'll give these a try. And when I was checking out, the cashier told me that, these are she's been selling a lot of these, she noticed. And there was one woman who she said was actually kind of older, bought like 6 of these. So I think these are good. And these 2 other leggings were only $5.99. $5.99. I didn't have a comparable value, but $6, so can't go wrong. I got those. Okay, next I also got 2 t-shirts, and these are by the brand Pen and Paper, both size medium, and they're kind of just long. They're very soft t-shirts. I got, this one is a V-neck in kind of a burgundy color, and this one is a crew neck, and they're both, I think they have pockets, in kind of a hunter green, and they're both kind of long, so actually they'd go good with the leggings. And $7.99. So $7.99 for these t-shirts, and that's super cheap. So casual wear. Okay, next I also found, and this was what was surprising, I found some blue jeans. So I got skinny jeans, and they did have petite sizes, which I was surprised. So these are 6 petite ankle skinny jeans, and they're super stretchy, and they're by the brand Workshop Republic Clothing, and this is 6 petite. It's 58% cotton, 41 poly, 1% spandex, made in China, and it was only $16.99, which is ridiculously cheap, right? $16.99. It says comparable value is $34, but actually, if you look at the tag, the manufacturer tag that was in here, it says $68 suggested. Manufacturer suggested. So these are really $68. That's an incredible deal. So, And then I found another pair of jeans that were also dark wash. They had a little bit of fading here, but not too much. So this would be okay too. It's by the brand Celebrity Gold Petite, and it's also in a size 6 petite. These are mid-rise skinnies. Those other ones I believe were mid-rise skinnies, and same price, $16.99. It's 41% cotton, 27% rayon, 31% polyester, 1% spandex. I don't even think that totals 100, but anyway, that's what this is. These I tried on, and they're super, super comfortable. So yeah, so I really like these. I thought that was a really good find, because you know how expensive jeans can be, and if they're comfortable and they're not like the most trendiest jeans, but I think they work for me. Yeah, I just wanted to share that with you, and hopefully. Okay, next I'll go over everything that I got from TJ Maxx. So first was a clothing item, and I just thought this was cute. It had kind of an interesting neckline, and the material was super soft, but it's just a top. It's by the brand Caution to the Wind, and size medium for $9.99. So it's $10 for this. And it has a little tie in the front. The material is like kind of a heathered gray. But yeah, it's cute. And I got some makeup, just one. And I've seen a lot of these OMG, what I got at TJ Maxx kind of like makeup videos where people get like amazing deals on high-end makeup at TJ Maxx, and they do have a lot of high-end makeup. But one thing I noticed is it looks like a lot of people have like opened it and swatched it or tried it, so that's kind of a for me. I wouldn't want to buy anything that's been tampered with. But they had a lot of these Kat Von D palettes. It's an eyeshadow palette. It's the Shade and Light Eye Contour Quad. They had a bunch of different shades. They had a smoky one and they had an olive one, but I got the plum. So this is what it looks like. And also, so it's the makeup that I'm wearing now, and I was actually very happy with the makeup, and I thought it was very wearable. They're all matte shades. Okay, so that was a good deal, and that was $9.99. Comparable value, it says $15. Also, I found, I was really happy to find this. It's Biosilk, and it's Silk Therapy, the original version, and I've been using this for maybe a decade or more than a decade. I use it like every single day in my hair. It kind of gives your hair like a smooth finish, so I really like this stuff, and this will last me probably 2 years at least. Yeah, and it was $19.99, and the comparable value is $36, yeah, because it's typically pretty expensive. And I also found, not to forget my dogs, they had Biosilk for dogs. So I've never tried this before, and I had almost run out of my dog shampoo, so let's give it a try. Like, I think my dogs deserve some silk therapy too. So this was $5.99, and regular price is $8. Lastly, from TJ Maxx, I got, this was like one of those buys when you're checking out and you see like, oh, I need this. They had a whole bunch of travel stuff, and they always have this by the checkout line. Compression socks. Compression socks by Travelon, $7.99 compare at $13. These are good to have like when you're flying. It says helps to stimulate your blood circulation. These are good. Okay, so that's everything that I got from TJ Maxx. And also I did walk through Nordstrom Rack, and because I somehow can't walk through a store without buying something, I did pick up a sweater, and it's black, and I'm like, oh, I need a black duster. So it was $24.97, and the retail value is $68 at Nordstrom. It's by the brand Joseph A. And yeah, I think it's just another basic. So pretty much. Okay, so that pretty much wraps up this quick haul video. I hope you enjoyed it. I was surprised with some of the things I found, especially those jeans, because they were super comfortable and stretchy and very wearable. I don't know if you guys have had success finding jeans there, but it's a fraction of the price of what you would ordinarily pay at other stores. So worth a try. I haven't worn them, but I'm hopeful, and they're very comfortable and stretchy, so we'll see. I'll wear them this week. But anyway, yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And I will be back with more unboxing videos. I'm supposed to get my first golden tote tomorrow. I noticed, according to the USPS. So I'm hoping to get a golden tote unboxing up soon. And also, I have ordered a mix and match box. I've heard some good things about mix and match, so we'll see how it compares to Stitch Fix. I do believe it's supposed to be a little bit more affordable. So anyway, but that's all I have for today, and if you are interested in more of those type of videos, please consider subscribing to my channel for more unboxing, shopping, those kind of videos going forward. And thanks again. Take care. Bye.